back, Pastor YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lalionnelifestyle. I am back. So today's video, I'm going to share with you how I do my summer makeup look. It's very bronzy and goldy. I think the last video I posted was 4th of July. So since then, I've just been hanging out with friends and family. So please don't take it personal. The YouTube channel is still here. Just take some time off from the camera, from filming, from editing, and just spend time with family and friends. So in this video, I'm going to show you from step by step how I achieve this look. Like to see the look? Keep on watching. Okay, so before I apply my makeup, I always add my face moisturizer. And the face moisturizer that I'm using today is the Asian Cosmetic face serum. A little bit go a long way, so I'm just gonna add a little bit on my face. Put this right here. Just that. And then so before I apply my makeup, I always just apply my concealer on the spot that I have little blemishes. So I have some right here, right here, right here, right there in my forehead. I'm breaking out here, and that's it. And then we're going to blend. For the foundation, I'm using the Nars. This color is Macao Sheer Glow. This is one of my favorite foundation. I've been using this for years. A little bit because we don't want a lot in the face. There you go. Right there, right there. A little bump again. Okay, so, and then we're gonna dab it in the face. How everybody's doing. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody is having a good time in the summer. I could feel like fall is coming because at night the temperature definitely drops. So I just apply the foundation on my face. Like I said, it's the summertime. I don't like to apply a lot of foundation. Just a little bit go a long way, just to hide some area on my face. Do you do the foundation first or you do eyebrow first? For me, it depends. So right now I just got my eyebrows done, so I'm not really pressed to do a lot in my eyebrows. Like I said, this is my summer makeup look. Where next I like to apply my concealer. The concealer that I'm using today is BobbI Brown, and the color is golden. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some right here. Some right there, and the bridge of my nose, and right here. What I like to do, I like to set my concealer so it doesn't crease. So for the setting powder I'm using today is the Mercier Translucent powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit in here, and then I'm going to get my little brush. I'm gonna take my sponge and set the concealer under my eye. Okay. Also, I like to set wherever I put my concealer over here. And I like to put a little bit on my eyebrows because, you know, I add the oil, I add the foundation, so sometimes your eyebrows can be greasy. So now let's move on to eyebrows. Presley My Eyebrows Pencil by Benefits. So it's very precise. The crayon is very precise, which I really love. I like to brush my eyebrows up. So I recently went to the mall and did my eyebrows, which I was very happy with. I had a lot of growth because I haven't done my eyebrows for 3 months, so I was very happy that I was able to get them done. So if I'm going out or whatever, I usually do a whole concealer under the eye, but because I just got my eyebrows done and I don't like to do a lot in the eyebrows, so what I like to do, I just like to make sure that I have my ends right here and then push it that way, push it up just to follow the line. You see that? That's all it takes. One of my favorite product from Benefits is their eyebrow gel, and this one is in the color 4. So what I like to do is I just like to apply this, just go towards the hair, and it will instantly give my brow the color and the shape that I want. So now let's move on to eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow for the summertime, I like to keep it very minimal. I always put a eyeshadow primer, and this one I'm using is P. Louis, and this is the number Rumor 2. So it's very pigmented right there. That's all I needed. And then I'm gonna dab it together. I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. So the eyeshadow I'm using today is the Kai Von D Shade Light, and for today eyeshadow I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm gonna use this color right here all over my crease. So right here. Next, I'm going to add this color right here all over my lid. So the next step is I'm going to bronze the face. So the one I'm using is Fenty Beauty Espresso. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go like this. Boom, 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 boom. So now I'm going ahead and set my whole face. So this one I'm using the MAC Powder Dark. To brown the face, the product I'm going to use is Fenty Beauty. Put some product in the brush. I'm gonna brown the face. I just recently got this beautiful blush from Sephora. Look how pretty and orangey. The color is Hot Blush number 13. This is so beautiful. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply. So I like to dab the brush, the brush on the blush, and I like to next I'm going to apply my lashes. So I just apply my lashes, mascara on my real lashes to kind of blend it together. So the mascara that I'm using today is Big Ego by Tarte. So what I like to do is kind of push the the mascara up, just like so. Our lip liner, the lip liner I'm using today is by Sephora. This one is deep brown and the color is 18. am going to apply this pink lipstick by Too Faced. Lip gloss, just apply at the bottom of my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlighter. So the highlighter I'm using today is Maybeline. This one is Master Chrome Maybeline. I'm gonna apply the blush right there. There we go. So now, I didn't forget about this. Don't get it twisted. Now I'm going to get my brush and just brush it away. Set my face with Tarte, and this one is the Forest and the Sea. Kind of give you like summer scent vibe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this all over my face. Hey guys, so this is my summer makeup look. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to see more of those videos, please let me know in the comments back below. I'd love to create for you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.